All right, gang. Well, we're out here on a beautiful Friday morning. Decided to put a fuel filter in. This is a 2001 E450 with a 7.3 diesel, international diesel. And as you can see, I got everything inside all tore apart. And you got everything outside tore apart too. Oh, we got the fuel filter out, new one in. That was a piece of cake, but taking this out, way back in is the hose clamp for it, way back in there, in between where you can reach it out here and you reach it in there. And if you see down in there, maybe, that shiny thing way back down in there. I don't know if right there is a socket we dropped. So neither one of us, Dave's helping me out here at the ranch, and neither one of us has a magnet. So he's on the phone at the moment with somebody, so I'm gonna ask him to run me up to Menards when he gets done and get a magnet. But as you can see, I have things all tore apart. I don't know if you have to go to this extreme. And then here they were telling me my up pipes were leaking. Well, here it's the exhaust pipe, I think, right here. See how black that is? But my up pipes I thought were here. These two off the turbo, but this looks like an exhaust pipe to me. But it doesn't look like that'd be too bad of a job if I can just get a donut put on there, I hope. I don't know, as though the clamp's loose. I haven't checked that yet. I may do that too. But anyway, that's the fun we're having today. It's just a shame they put such a thing in such a location. It's right down here behind this sensor here is a fuel thing. So you got to take this off. I didn't have to take this hose or anything else off, but this had to come off, and the resonator ties into the side back there in the middle. So it's just an aggravation to get at. I mean, it's not hard, but especially if you have the right tools. So, but that's where I'm at for today. All right, I'm almost out of time. Thanks for checking us out. I hope you guys have a good day. Peace.